should look also for your competitor, no? Particularly for this one, no? And number 3, your intra-company, no? Intra-company comparative. Alright. Meaning to say, class, your number is being compared sa ating own company. Right? That's why in your own company, you have your horizontal analysis, right? Hopefully, you are finished now with this one. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. And also, we have our vertical analysis. Okay. What do you want? Okay. And the last one is all about your ratio analysis. No? In your paper, as part of your final, no? Hopefully class, you